make more videos. Just make more videos. For the millionth time, just upload 33 videos, get some data, and improve your next batch of videos based off of that information. You can't expect to get more subscribers by just posting one video. People need to be able to find your channel before they subscribe to it. The reason I recommend posting 33 videos is because at that point, you're going to start to get enough data to see what's working so you can double down on it. Then each batch of 33 videos after that will hopefully get increasingly better, you'll build your backlog, and your videos will all feed each other, and hopefully you'll experience exponential growth on YouTube, and yes, more subscribers. Are you gonna get 1 million subscribers in a month? Probably not. A few hundred subscribers per week is really achievable. I have students who've gotten 1,000 subscribers really fast. For me, it's been 2,000-ish subscribers per week on this personal channel, but I have other channels where I don't show my face that get 30,000 subs a month. And the other thing about my situation is that I don't even upload regularly to my personal channel at all. Now, what kind of videos should you make? Should you just guess about the videos that you're gonna upload and cross your fingers, hope they go viral? I have good news. The research has already been done for you. Just go to YouTube, search your niche, and what comes up first. You already have all the research done for you. What kind of editing, thumbnails, topics are working right now because that's what ranks the highest. For the travel niche, that's long-form list videos talking about beautiful destinations and travel guides for particular cities like Chicago. These videos have already been out there through the trial of 1 million other videos in the niche, and they rose to the top. These are the most popular subjects, and this is what's relevant to people. That random vlog video that you posted online, who's that relevant to? What kind of value does it bring the viewer? Value can be entertainment value or educational value, so make sure your videos check off at least one of those. On the other hand, who's this video of the 25 most beautiful destinations in America relevant to? The answer is it's relevant to anybody who's looking for travel destinations in America. This is important because the view and the engagement with the low bounce rate means YouTube will see the video as doing way better than others, and it's easier for it to rank higher that way. Now, we also want our session time to be high. Session time is how long people spend on YouTube after watching your first video. The way you can increase this is by making a backlog of videos in the same niche. Don't upload drone videos one day and then scary videos the next day. Instead, stick to just drone videos or just scary videos. This works because it makes it more likely that YouTube will start to suggest your own videos in the suggested video feeds of other videos on your channel. You can even turbocharge this by using end screens, putting links in your description to other videos on your channel, and also linking to a video in your pinned comment. People are much more likely to subscribe if they watch your drone video and then they go on your channel and see all of your other videos are also about drones. Now that we have our topic, how do we make good content? You might be saying that good is subjective, and to that I would say you're correct. Good is subjective when it comes to people. People often have different opinions about different videos, but the YouTube algorithm does not care about the individual opinions of outliers. They care about how the intended audience of a video responds to that video on average. Good videos, as classified by the YouTube algorithm, are simply videos that get people to click, keep people watching, and keep people on the platform. That's literally as simple as this needs to be. Now let me tell you what to aim for when it comes to stats. For my 10-minute videos, I typically aim for these stats: a 6% click-through rate, and a 60% average view duration. When you hit these stats, it's very likely that your video is going to do well, get a lot of views, and in turn also a lot of subscribers. Once you have some videos up, go into your stats and see when people are clicking off your videos. Try to understand why they're clicking off of the videos. Don't do that again, and do more of what's causing people to keep watching. Now, what if you don't have any videos up? Then what do you do? How do you make your first videos good without having stats and likely to get a lot of views and subscribers? I know this sounds harsh, but just know that nobody cares about you. When I started this video, did I say, hey, what's up YouTube, Make Money Matt here, and then read back the title to you so like you don't know what you just clicked on, and then rant on for like a 3-minute intro, and then I finally say, now let's get straight into the video? No, I did not, because it's not about me. It's about the subject. You gotta cut to the chase and get to the point as soon as possible so people don't click off your video. If you go off on this long intro, people are gonna skip like 10 seconds in, and if they see you're still not bringing value, remember, value is either entertainment or educational, then they'll skip to like a minute in, and if it's still not good, they're gone. Prove yourself as quick as possible. Now, for my faceless channels, that usually means not even having an intro and getting straight into it. I love how the channel Top 15s does it. They make these scary top 15 videos, and when you watch one of their videos, they don't say, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 15 scary videos, blah, blah, blah. No, they get straight into the video and straight into the content that people click for. That's why they get millions of views per month. Remember, to get subscribers, you first need to get views. But it doesn't matter if you have the best content in the world if you don't get people watching that content. You're not going to get any subscribers whatsoever if they don't actually find your videos, watch your videos, come to your channel, and hit that subscribe button. Where do your videos surface, and how can you get people to watch them? Your videos will appear in search results, very straightforward. People search for something, and ideally your video will show up. They'll also show up in the suggested video feed. This is to the right-hand side of your screen if you're watching on desktop, and below if you're watching on mobile. These will be videos either related to your video or the history of the person watching. And the third place that your videos will show up is in browse features. This includes the homepage of YouTube. It's not enough to just show up in these places. The key is to get people to not only look at your video, but to actually watch it. The way that you have power to get people to click to watch your video is to increase your click-through rate. This is the percentage of how many people watch your video after seeing your title and thumbnail on YouTube. 80% of videos on YouTube have less than a 5% click-through rate. So aim for 6% and you'll do better than most of the competition. This can vary a lot, so it's really just ideally best to try to do better than your channel average consistently. Go out and see what thumbnails are working on YouTube in your niche. Don't copy, but just use them as inspiration. And also feel free to swap out low click-through rate thumbnails on videos you've already uploaded also. Now if all goes well, you should be getting some views. Once you have views though, you need to actually turn them into subscribers. In some of my videos, I ask people to subscribe. And no, I don't just say, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because nobody's gonna listen to that. Here's what I say instead. Subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will personally reply to your comment. If you do this and reply to just a few people's comments, other people will see this and will subscribe. And the videos you do this on will have the highest view to subscriber ratio. And feel free to leave a comment on this video saying I subscribe. I'll try to reply to as many comments as I can so you can see how this works. Most of my faceless channels have about a 1 to 2% view to subscriber ratio, meaning that for every 100,000 views I get around 1 to 2,000 subscribers. For my personal channel, that number is more like 2 to 3%. So I like to envision it as a funnel, and there's two parts of this funnel to get 1,000 subscribers per week on YouTube. The first part is awareness, and you get that by posting lots of good videos. Let's say that over the course of a year you post 100 videos, and on average each video gets 500 views per week. That's a total of 50,000 views per week. The next part of the funnel is subscriber conversion. If you get a 2% view to subscriber ratio, which I think is very realistic, you'll get 1,000 new subscribers every week. That's as much as I can put into this video. I'll link my course below and you'll get a discount. I've had people tell me that they started making money from my free videos and then they've gone back and bought the course when they're ready to scale up, and that makes sense to me. Otherwise, check out this free video next to me that'll show you how I'm making money on YouTube without showing my face and without even making any videos. This breaks it down step by step. See you there.